Hey, Baker scaffolds. Get a lot of questions about Baker scaffolds. Hopefully I'm able to answer those for you now. So first, do I need to have a competent person? It's still a scaffold. Yeah, you still got to have a competent person construct this, oversee its inspection every day, whether you use a tag system or not. Of course, I like the tags, dated. I know that and initialed by who did the inspection and that it was constructed properly. But the Baker scaffold's a really versatile tool that's used in doing finish work primarily. Fits between doorways, has wheels. One thing I want you guys to know is you cannot move yourself while you're on this scaffold, right? And they make some add-ons that allow you to do that. It's important that it's always pushed from below and that there's no obstruction. So another reason to have housekeeping, right? If I pick up everything in here and I'm on this scaffold working above, I can have a coworker push me and then relock all 4 wheel locks before I stand back up and start doing my task. Hey, I'm ready to be moved again. Okay, sit down on the platform, have your coworker come unlock, push you to your next spot, relock and repeat over and over again. But why not pull yourself if I'm on this scaffold? Why not pull myself along the track on the ceiling or the framing? Just think about the leverage principle, right? If I'm up high on this and I pull myself and this hits something below, it's much more easy to turn over. We don't want that. A lot of falls, accidents happen that way. That's also why we want to make sure our wheels are locked. You go to push against the wall, even just to steady yourself, and the wheel allow it to move, fall right down. Really bad situation. So I'm a stickler, and I want you to be as well. Make sure you always have all 4 of these locked. It's really important. If you're going to be pushing yourself, having someone push you, I should say, around the job site like this, make sure that you make a big effort when it comes to housekeeping, because that small wheel, you probably pushed a shopping cart, right, in the store. You hit a piece of something and that wheel just stops, locks up. That's exactly what's going to happen if you hit one of these. And that is not going to be a pleasant experience when you're riding that scaffold. Scaffolding, again, you can have this, anywhere from 6 feet, which is the max height, all the way to the bottom here, which you see you're near the bottom of our options. If you add another tier to this, another stack, you have to use an outrigger system, and you have to use the railing kit. Again, normal scaffolding, 10 foot. This is scaffolding. You would think the 10-foot fall protection, having a railing or wearing a harness would apply. But the manufacturer of these products, this Baker-style scaffold, due to the narrow width of the base and their more higher tendency to tip over, they require the outriggers be installed and the railing kit be used. So some good things to remember when you're using this equipment.